Hi TyFlow people, I have to say some words about this setup, how to have fun with it. Let's open the flow and see what's inside. Uh, Looks quite complex, but all you need these 5 operators. It's a custom properties operators, and first one, break frame, is setting the frame when destruction starts to happen. These 4 operators are responsible for bind breaking. For example, when wheel 1 fail, is setting probability of breaking for wheel 1. What is wheel 1? You can ask. Wheel 1, this is big one, big wheels, these ones. And wheel 2 is this small, these ones, smaller ones. Intercards fail is setting probability breaking bin between cards. I think we can even see this bind. Let's try to see it. This one. And safe lock fail is setting probability for safety bar lock breaking. We can see this bind here. All binds breaking is happen here, these operators, and I think this one. Let's see what's inside. Go to filters, rollout, and see. It works only for particles with wheel 1 custom float. It's big wheels, and it generates every time step, every frame, random number from 1 to 100, and checks is it fit in range from 0 to this value. And if it fits in this range and age greater than break frame custom float, it breaks all bins. All bins for particle for which one all these conditions are true. For example, let's set wheel to fail probability too high. And let's see. And break frame starts from 0. We can see all these binds has been broken immediately, and all small wheels are falling down now, and all this some kind of mess here. Let's return values to previous. I don't know. Let's increase it a little bit and let's roll the dice and reset all operators. Okay, let's go to frame 600, for example. Okay, let's go back and see what is going on. Nice. Really fun. That's all.